Hey guys, we're here with another box of AFL Teamcoach. I've got Lenny here with me. We're going to go pack by pack.
How you going?
Hopefully get a wild card, trophy wild card, something good.
I'm hoping for something red.
Let's get into it. Alright, there we go. Fresh pack of Teamcoach, ready to go. Alright, first pack of the opening. We've got a Sam Draper silver, Daniel Rich silver, and we've got a Clary fantasy favourite. Not too bad a start there. Skip the comments for this one. There you go.
We've got a Jake Lever silver, Connor Rosie silver, a Jared Witts fantasy favourites, Jake Lloyd, Jack Viney, Caleb Sarong, Georgie Presprakis, Jordan DeGoey.
You guys have probably noticed all of the Yes Stadium merch in the background. We're pumped for Tassie getting their team. Been pretty busy with that at the moment, just behind the scenes, trying to make things happen. You've got Tom Liberatore silver, Jack silver, and a short star power. Not too bad. Getting the next one.
Big Sue Larkey, Darcy Moore, and a Jaden Short gold. Joe Danaher, Christian Salem, Connor Rosie, Sam Darcy, Dylan Grimes.
Now, if anyone watching the video is interested in the hats merch, the round stickers or the straight stickers we've got there, just send me a message in the comments and I'll let you know either where you can get them or I'll set you up with one myself. Darcy Fogarty, Sebastian Ross, and Connor Rosie star power.
We've got a collection of Jaden Shorts here. Jaden Short, Charlie Cameron, Jai Simpkins star powers. Oh, Chatty Wingard. Upset he did his Achilles. Riley O'Brien, Aaron Hall, Andrew Gaff, Tuke Miller.
Right, getting through this box nice and quickly here. Sorry we don't have the same scenery as usual. It's pretty windy down here in Tassie at the moment. Jack Darling, Nick Vloston, and Mason Redmond fantasy favourite. Really getting through these fantasy favourites here today. You know, we actually didn't have that many before this, even though we've opened more than a box.
Sam Darcy, Dylan Moore, and Zach Bailey star powers.
That's a team star power. That's one in a box.
A team star power.
That's a duplicate as well. Oh no. Alright, here we go. Hopefully we can get something a bit better than that. A duplicate. We already got one in a recent video I've posted for you guys. Got a Matt Flynn silver, Charlie Curnow silver, he's been on fire, and a Dane Rampy star power.
Darcy Byrne-Jones, Jack Viney, and a best and fairest Jack Crisp. Sam Draper, George Hewitt, Jack Locious, Max King, and Oscar Allen.
I was thinking about maybe we do some, me and Lenny might do some half and half boxes next year. Separate it in halves, do one big video together. Might be good fun. Either team coach or select, depending on what we're feeling.
Myself,
Sam Walsh, Guelphy, and Tom Hawkins craft card. First craft card of the day there, not too bad.
Getting through these nice and good. Probably about a quarter of the way through. Alright. Alex Pearce, Tom Atkins, And a Isaac Rankin
Footy oddball.
footy oddball. That is odd. Oh, Ned Reeves. Dom Sheed, Andrew McGrath, Todd Garnseed, David Swallow.
Then he's a bit of a Hawks man himself.
That's right.
Getting his hopes up for the next year. No more tanking accusations.
We would never thank him.
Swallow Silver, Petrarca Silver, and Pickett Star Power. Kazaya, not too bad. Because he's had a bit of a quiet year this year.
Oh, yeah. He's leading the D's goal kicking.
Oh, just ignore me then.
I think so, because Bailey Fritsch has been injured. Scott Pendlebury, Tom Papley, and a gold Joe Danaher, Josh Kelly, Zach Fisher, Sebastian Ross, Brodie Smith, and Darcy Parish.
Another pack. Cornelio, Hawkins, and a Trav Boak fantasy favourite. Needed that. That's a great card.
Alright. Hunter Clark, and Nick Natanui's a Scallion card.
It's a Scallon.
Scallion card. And a Hugh McCluggage fantasy favourites.
Alright.
About 20 packs.
Oh no, smashing through these. Something a bit better than what we've got so far, hopefully. Bailey Scott Silver, Steel Scallon, and Rowan Marshall craft card. Dylan Moore for you, Lenny.
Oh yeah, we love that. Vice captain. The future of the Hawks. Alright, here we go. Darcy Parish, Errol Gordon, and Michael Walters star power.
Alright, we're back after a quick cutout due to running out of phone storage. I think all we missed basically was 3 packs. It was a couple star powers and the Hayden Young footy oddball. So other than that, we'll just keep on rolling from where we were.
I'll give you an update at the end. Overlook of what we got.
Something good this pack, come on. Zorko, Patrick Cripps Scallon, and Nick Dacos star power. He's out for the year. Finn McGuinness.
Finn McGuinness had him on a leash.
Oh no.
Yes, he did.
I think we've just lost all the Pies fans watching.
I'm sorry, but you're a wonderful football club, but you are no match for Hawthorn. Will Brodie, Sam Doherty, and a Jeremy Cameron oddball. Montana Ham, Tom Atkins, Zach Butters, Keziah Pickett, Taylor Adams.
Alright, let us know in the comments what football club you support as well. Currently got the Port long sleeve on, so
I like my Hawks jacket at home.
got your Hawthorn car seats on though. Shannon Hearn Silver, just retired. Josh Ward and Kerno Silver.
Going for back-to-back
Gold.
colours. Alright. Not many packs to go now. Get them in, put them like this for you. Alright, we go again. Nick Martin Silver, Scott Lysette Silver, and a Stephen Cornelio fantasy favourites.
I think it's been a little disappointing so far. Still a fair few packs to go. Got the Bailey Smith star power, or the team. Zach Bailey team star power. Simpkins Silver, Rowbottom Silver, Ben Keys craft card. Another quiet pack.
I don't know what's what because I haven't done football cards for about 6 years. So I don't know
Used to be a
what.
big team coach man back in the day, though, didn't you?
For me, yeah, I was team coach as a kid, but my most popular stuff was of Select. Jack Revo, Clayton Oliver, and a Noah Anderson star power.
So So our best card's still the Zach Bailey, and the footy oddballs are 1 in 12.
Hoping to get something else.
Come on, something good, would you?
One in 12, that's not bad.
Oh, Horn Francis, the legend.
The big Hornet.
Silver, Fritch Silver, and
Oh,
Jack Sinclair, Magic
Magic
Wild
Wild.
Card. Oh, we love that.
That is gorgeous.
Shout out to the Saints fans.
Oh, yeah.
Bit of a rough patch, but oh, tell you what. That is bloody beautiful. One of the best cards I've pulled this year, to be honest. Far out. We're going to have to come back to that at the end of the video, but just look at that. Wow. Let's go.
Right. Let's hope for one more, yeah? Okay, we got Darcy Cameron Silver, Adam Sard Silver, and a Sam Taylor Giants Best and Fairest.
And that's 1 in 10 packs.
We've got about 2 of them, sorry. Hugh McCluggage, Darcy Cameron, Hayden Young, Dustin Martin, Jasmine Garner.
All right. Well, this box is looking up now.
Yeah, a couple of good pulls. Is that Star Power, Magic Wild, 1 in 30?
Yep. So 2 1 in a box cards, which is good. We've got Lockie Neal Scallon, we've got Jack Higgins Silver, and we've got Dion Prestia Craft Card.
Only 5 packs to go.
Been a bit disappointed in the printing of the Teamcoach cards this year. They're a bit uneven and not cut properly. It's probably why they were out of production there for a week or two.
Tom Lynch Silver, sorry. Riley O'Brien.
Oh!
And a Gold
Fantasy Duo card.
Dustin
That's
Martin
so
and Shane
good.
Bolton.
Oh,
Let's get a closer look at this.
that is 1 in every 2 boxes.
Dustin
That is
Martin
a great.
and Shea Bolton. Or Shy Bolton, however you would like to say it. That's a good
That
pull.
is a great pull. Pull of the box so far.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
1 in 72 packs.
Oh, I did not know that.
This is going pretty well. At least we didn't miss that when the storage ran out.
Imagine.
Got McGrath Silver, Toby Green Silver, Sicily Craft Card. Lenny will be all over that.
He will have his first All-Australian blazer this year. He deserves it. He deserved it last year. Oh, look at that. Jason Horn Francis. Bailey Fritch again. And a gold craft card, Jack McRae.
What the? Oh my god, our luck has been insane.
That is a gorgeous card.
That is 1 in 864 packs.
That's incredible.
That is insane.
I want to be careful not to damage it because it looks like it's in very good condition.
That is. Oh.
The gold on it has got a nice glare to it, as you can kind of see. That is a beautiful looking
That
card
is
right
freaking amazing.
there. I'm shaking a lot, so I don't.
1 in 864 packs.
That is a good looking card right
That
there.
is elite.
Yeah, that's why I'm being careful. Did you not see me shaking?
Thank you, Box. Saving the best for last, are we?
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, Lenny has kindly donated this box for my birthday.
This was his birthday present from me.
I think that was worth more than the box. We've got Caleb Sarong Silver. We've got Jack Silvani Silver and Lockie Whitfield Craft
So
Card.
that just looks boring now.
Oh, it does. Yeah, absolutely.
Final pack.
Final pack for you, Lenny.
Let's go. Let's go
Come on.
reverse.
He's going from the back.
We'll start at the back. I haven't looked at the front yet. Luke Shuey. Noah Anderson. Jack Zeeble. Matt Flynn. Ben Hobbs. And a Sam Doherty Star Power. Luke Parker silver, and Jeremy Howe silver.
Now, what an elite pull was that? We
That
have
was pretty spectacular. I
the
don't even know
Jack
where it went. Oh.
McRae gold craft card, the Gold Collage craft card. That is the best pull I've had in my entire life.
Wow,
That
what
is
it, 1 in 800 and something?
864, I think.
That's
Let's just
nuts.
confirm that. Gold Collage, 1
Yeah.
in 864 packs. That is the best pull in our channel's history. And I'd just like to thank Lenny for this one. That is... wow. I mean, it is glistening. We are going to get the 24 karat gold craft card. We are going to redeem this, and I'll definitely be showing you that in a YouTube short. That'll be elite.
Let's have a quick look back at the other 3 major ones we collected. Starting with the Zach Bailey Team Star Power. That's a nice pull. It doesn't look very good at the moment after
No,
that,
it doesn't.
but that's still a nice pull.
Duplicate from our first box pull.
Yep. And obviously the Jack Sinclair Star Magic Wild. My apologies. Do they still do the Star Wilds too?
Yep, they do. They also do gold versions of these, which are called, and then trophy wild cards as well.
That is a nice looking card. I've always liked the Magic Wilds.
Magic Wilds are by far Teamcoach's best looking cards.
And of course the gold fantasy duos of Dustin Martin and Shea Bolton for the Richmond Tigers.
But
All good cards, but they are nothing compared to that.
they are absolutely nothing compared to the Jack McRae 24 karat.
1 in 864. That's insane.
That is.
Wonder how much the 24
insane.
karat gold one's worth.
Thank you so much for watching, for checking out this box break with us. It has been one of the best videos we've probably put together.
After starting off pretty dull, she ended pretty well.
I know. Far out. The shorts are going to go mad for that. And yeah, so thank you all for tuning in. We're much appreciated. Check out the Yes Stadium pages, helping Tassie get their stadium and team. And thank you for joining us today. See ya.
So.